Hola, hoy quiero presentar some cognates. Soy Ruth, this is my channel, Spanglish Fantastico. So what I thought I'd do to get you used to the sound of cognates and which words might be cognates, I thought it would be nice to have unos poemas in Spanglish using cognates. Let's see what you think. So the first one, here we go. Es admisible que mi convertible es muy visible, but sorry, borrowing it today no es posible. The second one's quite long, so no lo tengo memorizado. Here we go. La intensidad de la crueldad she experienced about su sexualidad led her to question su personalidad, question her popularidad, cuestionar su realidad, cuestionar la humanidad, until she got some claridad. La humanidad es grande. Su espiritualidad gave her más estabilidad. We are eternidad. Somos la infinidad. She has tranquilidad. El próximo tiene título: Un hombre dramático. We think he's fantástico, británico, almost alcohólico, diplomático. Para mí, su compañía es terapéutico. Horrible word to say. Bueno, I've got dos más. I hope you're enjoying these. I can't speak with any certeza, but la nobleza de la naturaleza will give más rudeza que gentileza. We're going to feel su dureza. Uh-oh, that one's about abrupt climate change. And I've got one left. Okay. Muy bien, el último poema para ti, para hoy. There's enough espacio en mi palacio to do lots of ejercicio. Es un beneficio de este edificio. Now, if you can write any poemas, I would love to hear them. I used this book, which has masses of listas of cognates with the similar endings, so that was really useful for writing poemas. And I'll put a link in the description. Si quieres, puedes comprarte uno. It's one of my favorite books, but then I'm a nerd. So, muchas gracias. Like the video if you did like it. Share it with un amigo. Subscribe to the channel, por favor, and watch mis videos. And muchas gracias por su compañía hoy. Hasta la próxima. Adiós.